Hi family, welcome to another video. Today is Vlogmas Day 10. 10 days of consistency. Oh my goodness, I'm super proud of us. Anyway, today's video is all about the dining room. As you all know, we recently put up our Christmas tree, we decorated the Christmas tree, and we also finally decorated the living room. And oh my goodness, I saw a lot of your comments and you guys are just as in love with the living room as I am. So, for today's video, we are going to be decorating the dining room. Alright family, let's get right into it. So this is what the dining room looks like. As you can see, it's nice and simple and ready to be spruced up. Let's go ahead and add the pop of red. My accent color in the dining room is gold, so I'm going to be doing a lot of gold and reds. All I'm doing is moving all of the chairs out of the way so that I can get it ready for the decor. So first thing first, I'm cleaning my table. I said yesterday that I didn't know where I put my wood cleaner, but I did end up finding it last night, so that's what we're using for our wood table. This just gives the table a nice clean shine, and it also does not ruin the finish of the wood. Alright, so next thing here, we're moving on to our buffet table. I have had this buffet table for a while now, and if you're an OG, you probably remember when I got this buffet table. Alright, so just using my cleaner to clean off the table. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, so you can use it for glass as well. Alright, so now that the table is cleaned, let's move on to our mirror. This mirror is huge. It doesn't look that big in this picture or from this view, but it is huge. It is almost the height of my entire body. Alright, so now that everything else is cleaned, I'm moving on to vacuuming the floors. I like to do the top to bottom method, and if you've followed me for a while, you already know that. I like to clean everything on the top and then get all the little particles on the floors and then clean the floors. So that's what I'm doing here. This little sweeper is very handy and I really like it because it's lightweight and it fits any and everywhere. One of my subscribers actually suggested this to me and actually sent me the link. So thank you for that. It has changed my life. Alright, so just putting all of the chairs back. I have 6 chairs and I also have 4 more chairs at the countertop in the kitchen. So we have lots and lots of seating for everyone. And I'm going to show you that in the kitchen video, which is going to be probably tomorrow. Anyway, so everything is cleaned. Let's get to decorating. The first thing I'm putting here is this gold piece. This is a simple gold piece that I actually got from Ross. It was only $12.99, but the quality is really nice and it has this rich gold color to it. Second thing here is this centerpiece that I got from Home Goods. This is actually a candle holder and it holds up to 5 candles. So next thing I'm putting here are my candles. I actually got these battery operated candles from Home Goods. I ended up having to get 2 packs of these because it only came as a pack of 3. So I will have 1 left over and I'm gonna put that in the living room. I really like the vibrant red and I also like the sparkle that it gives. And it looks really cute when it's all lit up at night. And I'm gonna show you that as well. The next thing here are our plates. So I'm going with gold charger plates to match our gold centerpiece. Like I said, the dining room is going to be mostly gold and red. And I'm going to have just a tiny little bit of pop of green. The next thing here is our plate setup. I decided to go with the creamy off-white plates because again, I don't want to overpower this area. I love my neutrals, so I just want the pop of colors to really stand out. Alright, so next thing here, we're going to do our fancy gold glasses. These glasses are super nice. I also got them from Home Goods and they came in a pack of 4. So they have these like really cute gold details at the rim and it just makes it look nice and expensive. Alright, so the next thing we're adding are our silverware. I'm going with gold because we are going for a rich, bougie setting, and gold seems to be it, y'all. Gold just does it. I also got this set from Home Goods. So I got a lot of my dining room stuff from Home Goods, actually. Adding a few more glasses for water. So the gold glasses are for wine or the fancy sparkling juice, and then the regular glasses are going to be for water. Family, I don't know the proper etiquette to set up, the dining table as far as the spoons and where the cups should go and all of that. I just know how to decorate it, and that's that. So if there is a specific way that I'm supposed to do this, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to change it up, but this is what I have right now, and I'm loving the setup. Again, this is one big open space with the living room, dining room, and kitchen, so I don't want to do a whole lot where it looks crowded and cluttered. That is why I'm doing pops of colors here and there. All right, let's move back on over to the buffet table. This is literally my only pop of green. This is a cute little, like a bowl with handles that I got. I think I got it from Amazon. I thought it was really cute. I really like the design. And then I have my candles here. And then I have these beautiful gold flowers. That is it for the buffet table. That is all the decor. So now I'm just gonna move my plant back to this corner to bring back a little more greenery into the room. All right, moving on to my curtain area. I'm still fighting with this area, but I love, love, love how it looks right now. We have a lot of windows in this place, so I decided to only cover the dining room windows, not really cover them. I wanted something that was gonna dress up the windows, but not cover them or block the sunlight, so I went with these sheer curtains. These are 108 inches, I think. They go from floor to ceiling, and I love, love, love that. So just to dress it up a little bit, I'm adding these wreaths. So I'm gonna do 3 of them. Your girl has been heavily into real estate. So I have my little tool bag, I have my ladder, I have a hammer, I have, I'm learning a lot of stuff. I can do some handy stuff myself. And if I can't, I know where to call for help. All right, family, this is what our dining room looks like. As you can see, it's nice and simple. I did the gold and red with a pop of green. I love how the gold gives it a classic look. And then I also love how the red gives it a festive look. This Christmas is going to be one of the best Christmas I've ever had, or at least in a very long time. I am at peace, I am happy, and I love the fact that I have my freedom and that I'm celebrating with the people I love. This, more than anything, has already made my Christmas dreams come true. I was asking you all what room you wanted to see next, and a lot of you said Nadia's room. However, I decided to do the dining room because I didn't want to jump up and down. This again is a big open space. So I just wanted to go ahead and finish it all up. Then I can work my way upstairs. So the next video you're going to see, most likely tomorrow's video, will be the kitchen. All right, family, that is it for today's video. I hope you loved it. And if you did, please go ahead and comment your favorite part. And also, please comment your Christmas theme below. If you have a theme this year, please comment what your theme is or what your colors are. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and also share the video. It really helps me and encourages me to continue to make them. I am so proud of us for making it to Vlogmas Day 10, and I cannot wait for Day 11. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.